Hello and welcome to the Chop Busters. Today we're checking out 15 of the newest Kreg tools that will take your projects to the next level. Stick around to see which ones might be perfect for your shop and make your builds easier than ever. Micro Pocket Drill Guide Kits. The Micro Pocket Drill Guide Kit is a premium home improvement tool designed to create micro pocket holes for thin, narrow stock and small projects. It drills holes with a diameter approximately 33% smaller than standard pocket holes, making it ideal for delicate woodworking tasks. The mini drill guide works with stock as narrow as 1 inch and 1/2 inch thick, and is compatible with the Kreg 700 series pocket hole jigs. Quick Flip. The Quick Flip is a premium home improvement tool featuring a double-ended drill bit and driver bit that drills pilot holes, creates counter bores, and drives Kreg screws for strong joints. The drill bit handles pilot holes and counter bores, while the number 2 square drive bit drives Kreg screws. It is compatible with Kreg number 2 square drive screws. Pocket Hole Joiner. The Pocket Hole Joiner is a portable, all-in-one tool powered by a brushless 20-volt ionic drive motor for fast, precise pocket holes. It features one-motion drilling, adjustable bit depth and fence settings, a narrow rail guide, and Grip Max anti-slip surfaces for stability. With integrated dust collection, a rugged metal frame, and a folding handle, it works on materials from 1/2 inch to 1 1/2 inches thick without clamping, making it ideal for shop or job site use. Pocket Hole Jig 520 Pro. The Kreg Pocket Hole Jig 520 Pro is a compact, portable solution for creating strong pocket hole joints in materials from 1/2 inch to 1 1/2 inches thick. It features Grip Max anti-slip clamping for secure drilling, a 360-degree VersaGrip rotating handle for use at any angle, and a durable steel and impact-resistant polymer construction. 1/2 inch Compact Drill. The 1/2 inch compact drill features a 5.9 inch design for easy access in tight spaces, combining lightweight maneuverability with 650 inch-pounds of torque for efficient drilling and driving. It includes a 2-speed gearbox, 20+1 clutch settings to prevent overdriving, a variable speed trigger, and a built-in LED light with a 10-second delay for improved visibility. The drill also has an all-metal 1/2 inch chuck-in metal gear housing for secure bit retention and long-lasting durability. Multipurpose Project Blocks. The Multipurpose Project Blocks are premium woodworking tools that provide stability and versatile workspace options. Each set includes 4 hexagon-shaped blocks that hold up to 200 pounds without rolling. The retractable painting points allow use for painting, clamping, sanding, and more, while Grip Max surfaces prevent slipping. Kreg Rip-Cut. The Kreg Rip-Cut Circular Saw Edge Guide transforms your circular saw into a precision edge-guided cutting tool, allowing straight, accurate, and repeatable cuts in plywood, MDF, and other large sheets. Its long edge guide follows the sheet edge, so you can lock the saw at the desired measurement up to 24 inches using the built-in scale and make precise cuts without marking or measuring. Kreg Inline Clamp. The inline bench clamp features an easy-to-use contoured dial for simple adjustments and a durable, lightweight construction. Its versatile clamp shoe holds multiple shapes, while the long push rod provides a 4 3/4 inch adjustment range. The sturdy peg fits standard 3/4 inch bench dog holes for secure and reliable clamping. It is perfect for woodworking, assembly, and other precision tasks, offering stability and control in a compact design. 6.5 inch Plunge-Cut Track Saw. The 6.5 inch Plunge-Cut Track Saw is a track-guided circular saw designed for precise cuts in plywood and solid wood when used with the Kreg 62-inch guide track. It features a powerful 12-amp variable speed motor with an electronic blade brake and built-in safety features, including a fully shrouded retractable blade, riving knife, and anti-kickback control. Cabinet Face Frame Clamp. The cabinet face frame clamp ensures precise alignment for quick, one-step face frame cabinet installation. Made from professional-grade aluminum, It features thick protective pads to prevent surface damage and a hardened drill guide with an integrated pilot hole. It works on styles ranging from 1.5 inches to 2 inches. Its durable design provides reliable performance for repeated use, making cabinet assembly faster, easier, and more accurate. 1/4 inch compact impact driver. The 1/4 inch compact impact driver features a compact 4.4 inch design for easy access in tight spaces and delivers 2,200 inch-pounds of torque for high-powered performance. It offers 3 speed settings, an assist mode to prevent overdriving, and a reverse assist mode to avoid stripping screws. The variable speed trigger provides precise control, while the quick connect all-metal 1/4 inch hex collet ensures secure bit retention and fast changes. 1/4 inch trim router. The 1/4 inch trim router is a cordless tool ideal for detailed woodworking projects, featuring smooth rack and pinion depth adjustment for precise control. Dual LEDs and a clear base plate improve visibility, while variable speed settings from 10,000 to 30,000 RPM allow performance tailored to any material. Its die-cast base and metal motor housing ensure durability, and dust-proof buttons withstand tough shop conditions. 4.5 inch circular saw. The 4.5 inch circular saw delivers power and precision in a compact design, featuring a brushless motor and a premium 36-tooth blade for clean, high-quality cuts. It includes depth indicators for quick adjustments, an auxiliary handle for better control, and a soft-start motor with an electronic blade brake for safety. The saw cuts materials such as 2x4s, plywood, and trim with a maximum depth of 1 11/16 inches at 90 degrees and offers bevel capability from 0 to 45 degrees. 7.25 inch circular saw. The 7 1/4 inch circular saw features a powerful brushless motor for clean, precise cuts with plenty of torque. It is compatible with AccuCut for track saw-like precision and comes with a premium, SureCut finishing 42 saw blade for smooth, professional results in plywood, hardwood, and dimensional lumber. The saw cuts up to 2 7/16 inches at 90 degrees and 1 7/8 inches at 45 degrees, making it capable of cutting 2x material at a bevel. Pocket Hole Jig Micro. The Kreg Pocket Hole Jig Micro creates pocket holes that are 33% smaller, making it ideal for thin and narrow stock, drawer boxes, small craft projects, or repairs. This standalone jig features a twist-apart design for material thicknesses of 1/2 inch and 3/4 inch, simple drill bit setup, and hardened steel drill guides. Thanks for watching the Chop Busters. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tool reviews and tips. We've got plenty more exciting finds coming your way.